Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Pinch the tabs on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box.
There are 3 push clips in total that secure the foam back panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to push in on the middle of the clip. Doing so will allow you to pry off the base. Remove the glove box back panel.
Disconnect the light by pinching its rear tab. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1276C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down.
Reinstall the housing door.
Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the back panel. Secure the panel with the clips by threading the base in and pushing the clip down to lock it secure.
Reinstall the damper cord and raise the glove box, and pinch the tabs to move the stops behind their catch. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.